If you want to delete your Monster account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Monster website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find the account deletion option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy. Here, you should find the option to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the prompts, confirm the deletion of your account. You should receive a confirmation email indicating that your account has been permanently deleted. Once you have followed these steps, your Monster account will be permanently removed. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Monster's customer support.